Investigation number 4 looks at the impacts of acid rain on buildings and monuments. So all across the world, we see our monuments, our buildings, are literally dissolving, being washed away or eroded due to acid rain or acid deposition. A lot of our buildings and monuments are made up of either limestone rocks or marble, which has a chemical composition of calcium carbonate. When calcium carbonate reacts with acid rain, essentially, we produce salts like calcium chloride or calcium nitrate. And either of those dissolve in water. And so basically, the reaction with acid rain is producing salts that are soluble in water, and therefore our buildings and our monuments are just dissolving away. And so in this activity, in this investigation, you're using marble chips, you're reacting some marble chips with our model acid rain, which is nitric acid. And we are starting with 10 grams of marble chips. Again, marble chips is essentially calcium carbonate. So we have 10 grams of marble chips. And we put it in a beaker. We mass it out, put it in a beaker, add some acid rain to our marble chips, and observe what's happening. And essentially, we'll go ahead and do that. So we add our diluted nitric acid. And if you listen carefully, you'll hear a reaction occurring where the nitric acid is reacting with the calcium carbonate to form carbon dioxide gas, as well as some dissolved ions of calcium nitrate. And so what we do with this is we put it in the oven overnight, dry out our chips again, and then mass it after. And so in your data table, you'll notice that our initial mass of our marble chips was measured to be 10.28 grams, and then after it's dried out, it was 10.17. We're also looking at the pH of the acid before and after. So our acid before was 1.8 in this case, and then after it was 1.74. And so from that, we see that we have a change in mass of our marble chips or calcium carbonate, which is essentially what happens. It kind of erodes away or dissolves away. And so over a long period of time, our monuments, our statues, we see this erosion occurring because of the reaction of the acid rain with the marble or the limestone mineral that is comprised of.